how to create an AI sales agent for lead generation. First, choose an AI agent platform that supports lead capture, qualification, and automated conversations, and sign in if you haven't yet. Next, create a new chat and give it a clear role, such as, you are an AI sales assistant that helps qualify potential customers and collect their contact information. Now, add your business information, products, services, pricing, and frequently asked questions, so the AI can provide accurate answers. Next, create a lead qualification process. For example, the AI can ask for the customer's name, email, company, budget, and requirements. Test the agent by having a conversation with it. Make sure it asks the right questions and provides accurate information. Finally, add the AI sales agent to your website, landing page, or chat widget so visitors can interact with it and become potential leads. That's it. You've created an AI sales agent for lead generation. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more AI tutorials and automation tips.